You know, I know how to cook a steak a perfect medium rare. And I know exactly what pizza dough is supposed to feel like when it's ready. And I can listen to a person such that they feel heard and validated. But I woke up this morning and I realized something. I don't know how to make money. And here's what's underneath that limiting belief. My name's Gerald, and I am money drunk. So many of these skills, they don't feel like money to me. Being able to cook a steak medium rare perfectly. I know exactly what that steak is supposed to feel like. Given the heat that I can feel that's coming off of the grill, and the temperature, and how many times I've turned it, and what the hash marks look like, and what it smells like. I know what a medium rare steak feels like. And I can let it go for a few more minutes or a few more moments, and that'll be medium. And I know how to do that. I know how to listen to somebody deeply. And I know how to listen to somebody and show empathy towards them. And not just show empathy towards them, but be empathetic towards them. The thing that trips me up is that these skills, they come very naturally to me. I've been around food all of my life. I've been trained as a professional chef. I've listened. I'm a very sensitive person. So I've listened to people in varying degrees. But lately, I've really been able to make sure, or it's been of value to me to be able to listen to people with empathy, make them feel included, make them feel heard. All these sorts of soft skills, they come very, very naturally to me. So that's why it feels really difficult for me to actually assign a value to them, because I've been giving these away for free all this time. And yeah, I've had a couple of jobs where I got a paycheck as a chef, and I've done events where I was a chef, and I had my own business, but I never really made that connection between what I do and how that is of value. I always had separated that. And the truth is that there isn't any separation from that. And I've been assigning a value to what I do in some way or another all my life, whether I've been a personal trainer, or whether I've been driving in a car, or whether I've been writing, or meeting room, whatever the case was. I have been doing this all of my life. I have been earning money all of my life. It may have been someone else's product that I was selling. It may have even been my own product that I was selling, but someone was assigning a value to it. And there was this huge disconnect between what I was doing naturally, because in my mind, I was giving it away for free, and what the market was actually paying for it. And that's the whole point, is that someone is assigning value to it. Now, someone puts a value on a steak, they charge $50 for it. Some places charge $100 for a steak, but it's not that the steak got any better. It's because someone assigned that value to that steak. And it's the same thing for me. This coaching business that I'm trying to launch, I've set a price tag on it, and it's not because I'm getting any better, or anything's changed between now and the time that I've set the price. It's only because I have set the price. That's why it is of value, because I say it's of value. So let me leave you with this last visualization. So each time that I record a video, I think about one of the biggest creators in my niche. And I think about how they are able to express their emotions and express these ideas about money insecurity, and about financial anxiety and money psychology. I think about all the ways that they are trying to do this. And what it comes down to is that they're just trying to help a lot of people, that their audience is bigger than they think it is. At the same time, they're talking to that one person. The moment that I can get this breakthrough for myself, the moment that I can stop separating who I am from what I charge, that's when the breakthrough will happen for me. If this video meant anything to you, if you identified with anything in this video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I love to be on this journey. I want to create these conversations with you so that we can begin to break through these money blocks one at a time, piece by piece, bit by bit, one day at a time. And let's continue this conversation. Talk about these money blocks, talk about this money anxiety, and join me on this journey as I continue to get money sober. And take a look at this next video right over here. I know that you're going to love it because I loved creating it too. Thanks.